Hello, today I'll be making apple crumble coffee cake. If you're new to our channel and would like to see more of our content, please like and subscribe, and don't forget to hit the notification button. For the crumble mixture, you will need 1½ cups of finely chopped walnuts. This next ingredient is optional. I used 1/2 cup of shredded unsweetened coconut, 1/3 cup of packed light brown sugar, 1/3 cup of white sugar, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of ground cinnamon, and 3 tablespoons of unsalted butter melted. For your dry ingredients, you will need 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 3/4 teaspoon of baking soda, and 1/2 teaspoon of salt. For your wet ingredients, you will need 2 Honeycrisp apples chopped fine, 1 cup of plain yogurt, 1 cup of white sugar, 1/2 cup of unsalted butter at room temperature, 1½ teaspoons of vanilla extract, and 2 large eggs. Now you want to preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 175 degrees Celsius and butter a 9x12-inch baking dish generously. This recipe calls for toasted walnuts, so I toasted them along with the shredded coconut in the oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 175 degrees Celsius for about 10 minutes or until golden brown. You will see later when I remove them from the oven they do not look toasted, and that's the moment our oven died and we had to finish baking at our friend's house. While your walnuts and coconut are toasting, use a small pot to combine the butter, brown sugar, white sugar, salt, and cinnamon, and then combine well on low heat. This should not take very long. Once your walnuts and coconut are toasted, add in your butter and sugar mixture and coat your walnuts and your coconut until everything is well coated. Now you can set this mixture aside until we need it later. In a medium bowl, you can mix your dry ingredients together: flour, salt, baking powder, and baking soda, and then also set that aside. In a larger mixing bowl, cream the butter and sugar together with a spatula, fork, or you can use a mixer until well blended. Now add in your eggs one at a time and then mix into your sugar and butter mixture until it's creamy and smooth. And now you can add in your vanilla extract and your yogurt and mix until smooth. Once you have a smooth consistency, you can start to add your flour mixture in, just a little at a time, folding it into your batter. Once your flour is thoroughly mixed in, you can add in all your apples and fold those into the batter as well. For your bottom layer, use half of your batter and then spread it evenly into your pan. For the next layer, use half of your crumble mixture and then lightly press it into your batter. For your next layer, use the remainder of your batter and put it on top of your mixture in dollops so it's easier to spread across without mixing everything together. And for our final layer, you want to use the rest of your crumble mix, spread it across the top, and don't forget to lightly press your mixture into your batter. Now place in the center of your preheated oven until a toothpick or a skewer inserted in the center comes out clean, which is about 40 minutes. If you have a yummy dessert you'd like us to do a video of, please drop us a comment below. If you enjoyed this video and would like to see more, please like, subscribe, and hit the bell for notifications, and don't forget to friend us on Facebook.